Hi guys, welcome back on Cloud Saviors. Okay, so now we are going to register for SG 900 certification. I mean, any kind of certification. I'm just taking the example of AZ 900. You can go with any certification, whatever you want, AZ 104, AZ 305, or 500. I mean, anything. You just have to follow this link. This one. I mean, when you write down the Azure certification schedule or registration. So you'll be having multiple links. You have to go to the Microsoft registered one that when you have the domain of Microsoft.com, just click here. Then you will get this screen. That's the Microsoft documentation. You have to go to the browse all certification. You have to go to the browse all certification. Okay. Once you are here, now you can see we have all certification provided by Microsoft, not even limited to MS Azure. I mean, all certification you can see here. In the left pan, you can just filter these things, like if you want .NET certification or you want Azure certification. So I would like to go with the Azure. Once you click on the Azure, now you can see every certification offered by Microsoft. Okay, as you can see, we have 45 result here. AC305, designing Microsoft Azure infrastructure solution. Okay, so whatever certification you want to schedule, you can just do it directly from this portal. So I would like to go with in the left one, you can also filter these certification by using the roles and level as well. Let's filter it by using the beginner one. Okay, now we can see all of the beginner certification, as we all know about AI fundamentals, Azure data fundamentals. Okay, okay, so let's go with the Azure fundamental. That is the basic one. So, I'm just trying to explain how you can schedule your first certification. Okay. So let's make this video a little bit slow so that everyone can get like what we are doing here. Okay. So we have level beginner product Azure last updated 10/30/2025. Okay. Role administrator. Okay. So now we have sublink as well. If you want to jump on, we'll go one by one slowly. Overview, you can see like the syllabus or the curriculum, what will include in this certification. So we have compute, networking, storage. Okay, you should have skills and experience working with an area of IT such as infrastructure management, database management, and software development. Okay, so these skills you should have before going for this basic certification. Still, if you do not have any kind of skills or any experience, you can go for the Microsoft provided curriculum. I mean the lectures as well. Now we have the lecture provided by Microsoft. We have introduction to cloud infrastructure, describe cloud concept, and trust me, if you go through this curriculum, it's a well defined, and you can easily pass out as the 900 certification by using the curriculum provided by Microsoft. If you click on the continue course, you will get the courses. Like, let me show you. Okay, so now we have the complete course here. You can just see, you can just go through this course. Okay, that is the one thing. Let's just go back. Okay, now you have practice for the exam. If you want to practice before going for the actual examination, you can also do that. Access your knowledge, experience demo. Sandbox is nothing. It is just a temporary subscription access you will get, and once it is done, so it will be destroyed. Okay, so in examination, you will be having 45 minutes to complete this assessment. Okay, exam policies, you can just go and check here. Okay, like everything whatever you will be having an exam, the policies and everything you will see here only. Okay, now we have the main thing schedule through Pearson VUE or schedule through Certiport if you are a student or an educator. So if you are in college or if you are an educator, okay, you can go with this Certiport if you have any kind of I would say coupon code and something like that. If your college is having a domain which is having a kind of a partnership with Microsoft, can just go with the second one. If you are working in any kind of in like company where we don't have any kind of partnership with the Microsoft, just go with the first one, that is the Pearson VUE. Although we have like a coupon option in both of the examination, it's not like you can only apply coupon in the second one. If you have coupon, you can also apply, in the Pearson VUE as well. Personally, I always schedule my certification by using Pearson VUE, whether it's like an online exam or offline exam. Okay, so like the rate is 99 USD. Okay, so like wherever you are in the world, you can just filter out your currency here. Okay. Okay, certification resources. We have the like again the kind of a study guide. You can just take a support. Let's ignore this part. Okay, so let's just moving forward with the exam scheduling. Let's go with the Pearson VUE and click on the schedule exam. Once you click here, it will they're asking for your address. Okay, just for the record purpose. Okay, and it is the kind of a new like a new process they have added. Previously, this page was not needed when you go for the scheduling certification, but like these days they're asking for the information with any kind like okay, so you can just fill out your address, city, state, country, postal code, and of course your number as well. Once you are done with this, then you can click on the submit button. Okay. Once you click on the submit button, you will see this screen. Okay. Okay. So now we have the actual scheduling of our certification. Now you have to choose where you want to give your certification, in person, at a test center. So many people got confused, like, how this option would work. Okay. Second one is online with like on VUE, that is going to be your laptop. Okay. The third one is like something I'm not aware about. I have a private access code. So let's just ignore this one. Let's focus on the option number one and option number second. So see, I've just given, by using option number one and option number two as well. Option number two is nothing. It is just your laptop. Whenever you just schedule certification, so on the particular time, you have to do it by using your laptop at your home or maybe your office. Okay. The first one in person at a test center. So what they do, Pearson VUE, this company is having multiple test center across to most of the cities. Okay, so you have to check whether you have any test center available in your city or maybe nearby city. So you have to go there. So what they will do, they will give you one single system where you have to perform your test. Okay, so like there would be a person who will be taking care of your test. Like they will start it, and after that particular time, they will interrupt and ask you to end your test as well. So like they would be having test center and you have to go there and you have to do it there only. Okay, this is something like that. So like in which situation you have to go with the first one. Let's say in any case you don't have a good laptop, you don't have a good bandwidth, you don't have a good internet connection, then go with this particular option. Okay, because in option 2 you must have a good laptop. Second, like you must have a good internet connection, there should not be any interruption. Third, you must have a stable electricity. Once the electricity is gone, then your test is gone as well. So make sure if you have these three things, then go with this one. If you do not have any internet connection or electricity, then go with this one because you are more safe here in the option number one. Okay, so let's go with the option number two. Now we have prepared to take your exam with on VUE. So why they are showing these four options? Because I choose this one. If I choose this one, then definitely they will not ask for my laptop. They will ask like your photo ID, what to expect, and personal items allowed in the test center. Okay. If you go with this one, second one, you have to ask like your computer, your testing space, your photo ID, what to expect, everything you can see here. So like before getting into examination, they will check your computer, I would say the speed, your internet speed. You must fulfill the minimum need of internet or Wi-Fi just to start your examination. Okay, your face must be clear. You must have a good laptop camera. You must have a working microphone, and like you must have a room where there is no LED, where there is nothing like any kind of a screen kind of a thing. Okay, so these things they will check before starting your examination. So make sure you are ready for this thing as well. Okay, so after reading this thing, you can go to the next one. Okay, now you have selected the exam language. We have multiple languages when it comes to certification. So as per your requirement, you can go with these, a long list of languages. Let's go with the English one and let's click on the next. Okay. Okay, it's just showing Microsoft policy doesn't allow a previously passed exam to be taken again. This candidate has already passed the examination. Thank you so much. So this one is for me, not for you, because I did it like 6 years back only. I'm just showing you. So that is like that's the same thing you have to face. Like as you can see, the pricing is 3691 INR. Okay, language English. Once you click on the next one, then you're like you have to pay the amount and your exam is scheduled. Okay, I cannot go beyond this point because I cannot go. Basically, I did this examination, so I cannot go there. But you can do it. So you just need to pay the amount and that's it. You are ready to go for the your first certification and your Azure journey as well. So like it's up to you, whatever you choose. Maybe you're on exam, maybe your office or maybe your home. If you're choosing your home, make sure you have a stable connection, a stable electricity. If you're using any test center, so make sure you reach on the time. If you are late, then they will not let you in. Okay, so take it like a physical exam only. Okay, like after this step, you just need to pay the amount and that's it. You are ready to go. My connection is interrupted again. Okay, I guess we are good with the video and it's already done. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got your answers. If you have any kind of a questions or query, please put in the comment section.